What I have here today, October 5th, 2023. There's another Bun Special video, written, directed, edited by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, stunts by Bun Special, handcrafted with the finest ingredients, sound effects by Bun Special. And a legal disclaimer. This video is performed by an amateur. This is a hobby. Do not attempt at home. No watches were harmed in the making of this video. For entertainment only. Here's the watch. I gotta change the date. It says the 4th. There's only 30 days in... How many days in September? 30? I guess it was only 30. So I gotta change that. Let me change that. Wait, how do I change that? Oh, let's see. This way. There you go. Oh, let me screw this crown back on. Okay, there you go. Today's the 5th. Yeah. Okay. Oh, the cover came off. There's another eBay special. Just received this. Oh, let's see what kind of junk I bought. I like to buy other people's junk. Where'd the cover go? Maybe I keep the cover for the box. I already cut the tape on it. It had tape on the side. I cut it, and then I said, hey, maybe I should make a video. So I've got the eBay wrapping. Ooh, double wrap. Double wrap for my protection. Oh, that's cheap. You can't tell. Well, in the video it doesn't look too bad, but this crystal is plastic and it's yellow. You only see a tinge of yellow, and it's interesting. It looks pretty good on the camera, but in real life, no. And it's sticking up here. Let me take that off. Cheap plastic. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. They say the plastic ones, some of them, when they start getting old, they release a gas that will rust the steel. So the steel looks a little rusty. So yeah, it doesn't look too good, does it? What's that say? Illinois Springfield Watch Co. What's that? Hour hand is bent. Minute hand looks okay. Second hand. Oh, it's bent at the tail, bent down towards the dial at the tail. I don't know if you can see that. And the second register is messed up. I didn't notice that when I looked at it on eBay. Where's my tweezers? Yeah, the 60. The 60 is over here when it should be up here. I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, it's all loosey-goosey. So the register here is crap. I got some rust on here. Well, the dial's chipped, as you can see. Let me get rid of the tissue paper. And if I do my twisty, they said non-running, and so far I believe them. Not doing anything. Oh well. Case opener. Let's start to. This is a stem wound case, but it's not doing anything. And maybe it's... I don't see a screw. Oh, it comes with a key, so it must be key wound. But yeah, usually there's a screw, so that means it has a sleeve in there. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's a lever set case. That's interesting. It's a lever set. Oh yeah, because it's stem wound. That's why it's lever set. Yeah, the dial looks, except for the crap down here, the dial looks pretty good. Wow. It's got a hole here. That means, yeah, that's where the pen goes. That's another clock. Let's see what we got. Bay State Imperial coin. I don't know if you can read that. With a number. Oh God. There you go. And it's a 3-ouncer. There's the 3 over there. Somehow when you get these, the, what do they call this? The Corvette always looks like it's not made out of silver. Most of these. This one looks like it's out of nickel or something, because it's just a different color. Oh, I knew it was a 3-ouncer. Okay, oh, there's the movement. Well, let's see. I knew that was missing the thing here. I don't know if I have another one. I'm holding this in my hand, so it's missing the thing, the screw. What's that? The screw looks like it's missing, or is it broken? No, I think it's missing. Oh, the round-headed screws are good. 2 screws to hold it in. Wow, I'm surprised. Maybe one of these. Usually it's just 1 screw. This one's got 2. Maybe the pin to hold it from rotating is not there anymore. This says Miller. This one is serial number 6966. A little on the early side. Okay. Oh, balance. I saw the balance jiggle a little bit. Is it busted? Let's use, I'm going to use this. I don't know, I think that balance is good. It's really not, it's got a little bit of play. Huh. Maybe there's no, yeah, well, it doesn't move freely. This looks good. Let's see if we can take this out of the case. Oh man, let me get screwdrivers. Oops, they all fall out. This place, oh, more things falling. I don't know, I'll take out this screw first. Notice I'm not using the right size screwdrivers, so nuts to you. Oh, I should. Let me get the right size screwdrivers, that's tight. Oh, where are the big screwdrivers? There's the big screwdrivers. Gotta get me some big screwdrivers. Let's use the biggest screwdriver. Oh man, that's tight. Oh, it drops right down. I don't know, I assume it came out. Yeah, it did. Oh, I didn't bring a parts container. I'll use the lens cap. And... oh, excuse me. I had dinner, and then I had a shot of... no, half a shot of whiskey. Oh, yeah, this movement's going to drop right out, I think. The pin is missing. The pin is missing. Oh, I hate it. The screw goes round and round, and still it fights you. Look how short that is. Oh, I don't know, maybe they drilled a hole and they just stuck it in there. Okay, let's see. It's probably gonna... this key looks kind of rusty too. Oh, this key, look at this. This key's the side is missing. Focus on this, you dog. Look at that. The whole side is missing on this key. This key is crap. Does it even fit? It doesn't even... it just goes round and round. This key's a piece of junk. Wow. I didn't notice that. Let's see. Oh, there's another clock. Oh, what? Let's see. Gently. Oh, it doesn't have a dust shield. It does have a pin. Let me look at this case. I have to find a crystal for this case. I don't want to put that plastic back in there. I mean, the case isn't bad. Oh, okay, that's what they did. I've seen this before. They see the stem there. They shortened it to fit the keyless movement in there. Oh well, can't use the case. Only used for only for key winds, unless I get a stem. Which you can make stems. That's what I want to try to do, is make stems. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it's missing the pin for the dial, not there. We got one pin. And we got two pins. Two dial pins are there. That's nice. So this screw, if you can see, where is it? Oh, it goes all the way to the plate, so it's tapped in. This is the right one. This screw they just put in over here because they wanted another one in here. So it's been altered. What is this? There's a little thing sticking up here. Oh, I've never seen that. Oh, that's just a bump for the dust shield. Where is it? It's right here. Yeah, bump for that's for the dust shield. That's the pin for anti-rotation pin. Do we have a roller jewel in here? Let's see if we have a roller jewel. I don't know if you can see. I wonder if we can see at the same time. Oh, we got a roller jewel. Wow. I think this would run. I seriously think this would run. Let's fool around a little bit. I'm going to fool around. Oh, yeah. Is that? No, yeah, it is a round-headed screw. Yeah, let's fool around just a little bit. Oh, I gotta put this screw someplace. Oh, I bumped and things start falling on the floor after I did that. Let's see. Boom, there it is. It's interesting stained. And it's got the original. Oh, it's been restaffed. You see all the dings over there. And to me, this balance cock is bent. It looks like it's bent up. I don't know if you can tell that. I think it's, yeah, it looks a little bent up. I don't know. I'm going to check out the staff. Let's see. I should get the movement holder. Let me get the movement holder. Oh, where is the movement holder? Oh, I found it. Let's see if we can get the movement holder. Oh, man. I don't need the case opener. Where are the hands? I don't want to mess up the hands. Okay, now I can press down. And I don't have to worry about it. Oh, yeah, damn it. I hate it when that happens. I should use a smaller screwdriver. Shame on me. Okay, it's loose. Let me put the screw here. Let's look at the, I'm going to look at the balance. Oh, wow, it's got two pivots. Let me look at it in magnification. Where's my magnification? The pivots look... Yeah, it's got pivots. Pivots look good. That's filthy as hell. Wow. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. I think we're getting there. I'm gonna cheat now. I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna do what some people say you shouldn't do. I was just reading an eBay listing. This guy said his father was a watchmaker, and you never run a watch that hasn't been running a long time. So then what do you do with it then? He didn't say what you did with it. What I'm doing now is I got a piece of the pith. Is that the pith? I think it's the pith wood. And I'm cleaning the pivots off. because I'm going to clean the pivots off. Oh, there's a hair on there too. That's a long hair. Wow, it was all jammed up in the balance spring. So I kind of cleaned off the pivots. Does that mean it's going to run? Probably not. Let's see. I don't know how much. Oh yeah, let's fool around with the watch. Where's the pallet? Well, this doesn't move freely at all. Wow. No, it's not going to run. It will not run. This will not run. Let's move this around. Move this around. You got to see where the lever is, so you don't overbank it. That's what I just did. Oh, can I get it in? Yeah, I got it in. This will not run. Everything else is too crusty. I gotta go to sleep soon. Okay. And then I'll put this on. Yeah, it's not gonna run. I'm gonna use my dirty finger. The hairspring. Oh, it's overbanked. No, it's not. Oh, yes it is. Is it? Son of a bitch, I thought I avoided that. No, it's not over. Wait. No, it's not. Okay, I did it right. Okay, yeah, because that lever is just too crusty. Oh, where'd I put... Oh, the screwdriver fell on the floor. Oh, where did it go? There it is. Yeah, it's not gonna run. I thought maybe it would run. But that lever is just... How come it's... Wow, it just doesn't want to... Oh, damn it. What happens when you don't use the right magnification? Did I not get this right? Looks right. It doesn't even want to do anything. Why is that? Doesn't even freely move. Oh, there it goes. That's what I'm trying to get it to do. At least freely move for me since I cleaned the pivot. But maybe the jewels are all crusty. Can you at least... No? Oh, there you go. Yeah, see, the lever's too crusty. That's it. Alright. Lever's too crusty. It's too crusty of a watch. I gotta clean it, oil it, and whatever. Okay. Anyway, that's the purchase from eBay. Crusty watch with the second spit messed up. Anyway, that's all I have to say right now. Oh wait, I did have something to show. Yeah. Let's put this here. Yeah, okay, one last thing. This is that, let me move you. This is the Waltham 1892. What was this? Which one was this? This one I did the mainspring on. The Appleton Tracy. Oh yeah, well I got a crystal for it. I looked through my piles of crystals and I found one that, I had to do some work around the perimeter with a stone, but I got it to snap in. So, now the case has the crystal. That's all I was going to say. Anyway, thank you for your cooperation. Wait, where can we get this so it reads right? We do it like this. Thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoyed the program and enjoy the rest of your day.